So as a mom, I'm always looking for little projects that I can do with my kids. And that's why I love to make these little Halloween masks. They can kind of, it comes with everything we need. It has paint, we have some beard, and the mask itself.
Mommy,
and the glitter and everything. And as you can hear, my kids are really ready to go. So this mask actually comes with a few different components. It comes with these strip rhinestones, which are actually amazing too because they do have glue, and my daughter used them all for her mask. So I'll just show you here. It also has these diamond ones. As you can see, my kids already love this, but they have some glue on the back, so you can super easily just stick it on. Then they also have these really cool little, like, almost tattoos, which I've never seen for a mask like this, but I tried it here, and it was honestly really amazing how it looks. So you're just gonna, you want to kind of cut it to the size that you want, and then you're going to take off the plastic film. You're going to position it how you want it, and then just take like a damp cloth and kind of get it all wet. And that's going to really like facilitate that, like, to transfer. So you're going to get it all wet like this, and then when you're peeling it, you want to kind of slowly do it and just make sure that the transfer works. So like here, you can see it didn't totally go. So we're just going to put a little more water. And then as you can see, so much better. As you can see too, this went over the paint really well. This is a super cute feature. This one, you just have to let dry, and it's really good. As you can see, mine's a little crazy, but I love the effect of it. I've honestly never seen something like this. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I would get my ass for you. So what I love too, we do get plenty of these masks, and they do have ties so that they're easy for my kids to put on. These are ready for paint, which they're super excited. Yeah. As you can see, my kids are so excited. We do have some glitter gems and some stickers. We have more gems. We have little furry pieces and a bunch of felt so you can kind of put it all together. My kids are going to work on these, and I will show you in the end. So as you can see too, my little ones are busy working on it, and they're having a ton of fun. Just to give you some context too, my kids are almost 4 and 2.5. So they're busy having a ball. So if you're looking for a project, especially around Halloween time, this is definitely the one. The paint goes on super well. I didn't have any issues with it being dried out or anything. The paint is brand new, and it's almost a cardboard material for the mask. So I found that it really kind of goes on very easily. So if you're looking for one, this is definitely a win.